Welcome to Witschard Construction. Today we'll be popping out the tiles around this window. The client tiled this tub surround by himself, but he wasn't happy with the way the tiles fell, or the finished look around the window overall. The handle for the window, to open the window, it's a little bit close to the tile, almost flush, so it's a little difficult to open the window, and it's just rough. It's, really rough going around, the edges, kind of gooped up with silicone and that sort of thing. So this is how we pop out the tiles around this window. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is remove the grout. I'm using an oscillating tool with a grout removal attachment on it. There's all kinds of attachments for these oscillating tools. They're great. They are fantastic tools. You can use them for a number of things. But right here, we're going to use it just to remove the grout. Now, you want to be careful not to disturb the tile outside of the tiles that you want to replace. So, in other words, we want to replace the tiles on the left. So we're trying not to disturb the tiles on the right. Now, it's okay and it's a good idea to kind of keep the tool a little bit away, even if you leave some grout in the joint there. That's fine. We can address that after we pop out the tiles. But it's very important to remove the grout, because the grout is a cement-based product and it kind of bonds the tiles together. And by removing the grout before we pop the tiles, we are kind of ensuring that we're not gonna chip or damage the edge of the adjacent tile. So after we cut out the grout going around the perimeter of the tiles we want to replace, it's time to pop them out. Here I'm using a chisel and a hammer. These tiles are coming out very, very easily. It was installed with mastic. Some mastics hold better than others. I'm not sure which product this was, but I do not recommend any kind of mastic inside of a shower area or a wet area, and definitely not on a floor. So thinset is definitely a better product to use, and if a thinset was used instead of a mastic, this probably would have been much, much more difficult. But fortunately, it was all in with mastic, so they popped out fairly easily. And that is one way to pop out tiles in a shower. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you were able to take something away with this. And I'll see you on the next one.